Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This time is animated icons, and this template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in the video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Drag and drop Outro Social Animated. Number 1, connect to the media out. Press 2 on the keyboard for media out, wait a few seconds to render, and then you will get the animation. This animation is done in over 10 seconds. And now let me ungroup to show you. As you can see, it's quite large. Line up all tools to the grid. And here you can see 4 trees, and every tree is for one icon. So all you have to do is take this, delete, and put some other icon. This blogger, copy, paste, connect here, adjust the size for the background, and for the white the same in the background, 80/80. And now I have another blogger icon, and here in the text just write a blogger, and that's it. Another icon is finished, and all animation is done. You don't need to do anything. Just change the icon and change the text. All are here connected in these merges. And this background, all you have to do is change the alpha, and then you can put on your video or picture or whatever you want to do. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.